So, good morning guys. Today naman ay babalik kami ng hospital kasama si Mr. Kasi nung tinawagan nga kami ng midwife ay ang taas daw ng sugar ko. So, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ng midwife kung bakit ganun yung result. Kasi sa Pilipinas naman is normal naman yung sugar ko. Mababa naman. So, paalis na kami guys. Nilabas na ni Mr. yung van and kotse. Papalitin na ng part. Five?
Oh,
What is it?
happy car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because it has been a nice run.
What is that model house?
I think it could be the same as ours, but I'm not sure.
But look at their doors. And this is their living room. Look at the window. They're big.
Yeah.
And they have 2 car parks also.
So I don't know what he's doing in the Land Rover.
He's living.
No, here. I didn't know whether he was going or waiting.
So, walang parking si Mr. Kaya ako lang mag-isa. Dito na kami sa hospital, guys. I'll just finish it. So yan, tapos na. So we got...
Don't come when I'm going, dear.
She's so rushed because she saw the parking space for her.
She's not thinking there. That's where she needed to be to get in.
Yeah, and she
Yeah.
doesn't need to block you, so you
No, she
you
was.
can go out.
If she let me out, she was in the right position to get in.
She's lucky because we're going out, so she can get the park.
Yeah, she got the ticket.
No, she didn't. It's different.
No.
The other lady, the parking.
Did she?
Yeah, the man that parked beside.
Oh no, I wasn't. Oh no, I wasn't a man. It was the woman that I was giving the ticket to.
But that them. She's.
No, the black car there. But it didn't matter. She got the ticket. She was going to park.
How much did you pay for the park?
£2.60.
£2.60.
Yeah, we're not going to get to the lights, I don't think.
So I think this sugar biscuit, glucose kit, they don't need it anymore, isn't it? Because it's disposable. I told you it looks new.
Yeah, she said you can give it back, but they'll throw it away. And that's why I said, oh, I'll keep it because I can use it.
Yeah, you just have to buy the strip and the needle.
Yeah.
So
No, you ask for them from the doctor. They're gonna,
really?
when you go for the other appointment, they're gonna give you a lot. They are gonna give you a lot.
So this is the record book.
So you'll have enough probably there, the sticks and needles. You probably have enough for a week.
So the result come out normal, isn't it?
Yeah. Your result came out low
Normal.
at 4.
Normal.
No,
10.4.
what I mean is it wasn't at the high end. It was at the low end
I haven't eaten
in the range.
normal meal yet. So ito na ang ano na.
So in the range of things,
Basurahan pang binigay.
3.5 was the bottom range, and your blood sugar came out at 4.
So where are we going now? We're going to
Mark to the
rice.
rice.
Oh, I still can eat rice then. Oh, I need the rice. I have no energy. I'm starving. Butit normal naman ang sugar ko. I'm happy with the result. It's normal. It's only
Yeah,
4
so was I. That's what I'm saying. You've got a low
sugar.
in terms of range. You've got a low reading.
Yeah. We're gonna see that after meal tomorrow.
Today,
Tomorrow.
after lunch today. you could do it after lunch today.
I don't want. I'm gonna
No,
do tomorrow.
I'm saying you could. But your first real reading wants to be tomorrow. 'Cause
I
you've
don't
got-
want to puncture my.
Yeah, you've got a baseline of when you've woke up. Then you've got 1 hour after breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Then 1 hour after lunch. And then 1 hour after dinner.
Yeah.
Look at the queue of traffic.
Mm-hmm. She's
Don't
opening
miss-
her door.
Don't know why there's a queue of traffic.
So, hanap lang kami ng kainan, guys. Oh.
That's why we've come here.
We're coming inside?
We're going in, yeah.
Oh. They're big here. Dito na naman kami sa British Heart, guys. Donation shop ng mga furnitures. Iba naman to, ibang branch. Dami magaganda. 250. Uy, look at
Yeah, I've seen.
10.
There was only one.
Yeah, the thing is, for Isay, yung bedside table nila 10 lang.
They can pick when they come.
Ano, they can choose what they want. Bed and mattress, 230, headboard, 20, different size, isn't it?
Things are cheaper.
Things? Yeah, some. Bed and mattress, 110. Oh, we need this, oh. 40. I think I saw they're cheaper. The other one. Sabitan ng mga coat. 40 pounds. Ito ang cute. Brand new. Hindi sturdy. Carpets, how much there? Kano ang mga carpets nila? To 45, 69, 49, this 100, 19, 119, 69. This is only 39, oh. Naghiwalay kami, guys, ni Mister at siya ay kukuha ng pera. Ako didiretso sa McDonald's. Kung ulan na kasi, sabi ko mag-take out na lang. Dami ring tao.
He does not bother with it.
Thank you. Tira lang kami sa car kakain. Oh. Doesn't look that big.
You want it more open? It's cold.
No, that's fine.
I opened it enough to let air in.
I don't need seatbelt, isn't it? Ah! Food trip sa car. I'm so hungry. Cannot wait. And it's so crowded, isn't it? Sa McDonald's.
That's what I'm saying. I couldn't believe how full it was on a Monday.
Ang sikip, walang upuan. Dito kami sa Asian store. Bili ng rice. Open? Yeah, they are open. Oh, they have rice. Hello. Let me see if they have beans. Munggo. Ay, parang wala. Ayun. Wala akong munggo. May pansit canton sila rito. Pahamot daga. Ay, wala silang chichirya ng Philippines. Ito pala din doon. And then, the rest is Chinese na. Wala rin silang sitaw. Mushrooms, tomato. May pears. Chicken feet? No.
No?
Chicken. Yeah, I want mung bean. Oh, thank you. So, yan. Bumili lang kami ng rice sa Asian store. And, gonna eat this. Dindong. Yeah.
Head north on Moore Lane, A5071 towards Harrington Street.
What's that? So, ayan guys, nakauwi na kami ni Mister. And then, ito yung binigay sa akin ng midwife sa hospital para pang-monitor ng aking blood sugar. And then, may binigay sila na booklet. So, yung binigay nila na booklet, dito ko i-records yung aking sugar result. So, kailangan before meal, before breakfast, and then after breakfast, after 1 hour. And then same ng after lunch, 1 hour, and then after dinner. So, ito yung booklet. So, kailangan ulit namin bumalik sa Wednesday para sa midwife. Another schedule na naman yun. So, ito yung binigay nila sa akin, another paper na may nakalagay kung ano dapat yung makuha kong result, standard result. And then, itong kit na to is free from NHS. And then, nag-try din si Mr. Then, tinanong ni Mr. kung after ko bang gamitin ito is ibabalik ko sa kanila. Sabi, pwede daw ibalik or pwede rin amin na i-keep. Then, sabi nga ni Mr. i-keep na lang namin para ma-monitor din namin yung kanyang sugar. So, bagong-bago pa siya. And then, nakaganito. Nakakit. And then, may mga needle na kasama. So, merong 2 extra needle. Masarado pa. So, ganito siya. Yan. Then, sa loob nito, so, ito, bukas na to. Gumamit na ako kanina sa hospital. And then, si Mr. ngayon pag-uwi. Tapos, ito yung lagayan ng needle, pang pin. And then, ito yung strips na lagayan ng blood. And then, ito yung kanilang reading machines. Ano bang tawag dito? So, dito inilalagay yung strips. Tapos, saka lalagyan ng blood. Automatic siya pag nilagyan na siya ng strips. And then, blood. Magre-read na siya ng kusa. So, ayan. Ang cute niya. Meron akong ganito sa Pinas. Plano ko talagang dalhin yun. Wala nga lang akong needle at saka strips. So, meron sana yung mabibili sa Mercury. Kaso nga, di ko nga siya nadala. At saka iba yung reading nila dito. Kung sa atin is 60 to 100 ang dapat makuha mong result. Dito sa kanila, ang normal ay pag before breakfast, dapat 3.5 to 5.2 before breakfast yun. And then 1 hour after meals, dapat ay 3.5 to 7.7. So, si Mr. medyo mataas yung sugar niya. Nag-try siya ngayon. And then, parang 8.1 yung result. Sabi ko siya dapat yung mag-monitor ng sugar. Kasi ako ay, kung kinuhanan ako ng sugar test, yung tinest sa hospital, ang lumabas lang ay 4. So, which is normal. Sabagay, ang kinain ko lang kasi ay banana and the apple. So, every day, 4 times ako mag-test ng sugar. So, mag-iingay si Mister dahil gagawin niya yung aming pintuan. Nire-ready niya na yun para sa carpet na kakabit sa Thursday.